Good morning. We will start session 5 on chapter lines and angles. This will be the last session of this chapter. So let's quickly begin with an exercise. We have all done now exterior angle theorem, interior angle theorem, that is angles and property theorem, and a parallel line cut by a transversal. What are the different pair of angles are equal? Also, when two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are equal. So those properties we are going to use them in theorems. First one, as I have told you, there will be no homework in this exercise, but your homework is to practice the worked examples from these exercises what I have solved. In figure 6.39, that is the first one. So it is a triangle where this is T, Q, R, and this is S, and where this is 135 degree and this is 110 degree. Okay, so let's write down what they have given. Sides QP and RQ is produced, that is what it is mentioned here. Solution. In this given is angle SPR is equal to 135 degree SPR and angle PQT is equal to 110 degree PQT. What we have to find? Angle PQR. PQR. This angle we have to find. Now, why have they given two angles? That means we have to make use of these two angles to find angle R. So, first of all, what we will do here is using linear pair we will find this angle. Using linear pair we will find this angle. Angles and property, we can find the R angle. Now children, what we can do here is only using linear pair if I find this angle, then from exterior angle theorem also I can tell that this angle is equal to sum of these two, right? That way also you can do it anyway. So this is question mark. So now let's find this angle first. Angle PQT plus angle PQR I have written PRQ. That's what I was wondering. PRQ. PQR is equal to 180. Reason? Linear pair. Okay. So PQT is how much? 110 plus PQR is equal to 180. Angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110. Angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Right? So this is 70. Now find this angle. Again I will say angle SPR plus angle QPR is equal to 180. Reason? Linear pair. So SPR is how much? 135 plus angle QPR is equal to 180. Angle QPR is equal to 120 minus 135. So angle QPR is equal to 180 minus 135, you will get 45 degree. So this is 45. And do this side. Now, in triangle, because we need to know in which triangle we are proving that. So, in triangle PQR, write down this angle. Angle QPR plus angle PQR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. Reason? Angle sum property. Okay. So from angle sum property, which are the angle? Angle QPR is how much? 45. Angle PQR is 70 plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. So angle PRQ is equal to 120 minus 115. Angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115. How much do you get? You get it as 65 degree. Okay. So this is how we found the angles. Similarly, we'll find the next one. We'll start with the next one. In figure 6.40, angle X is equal to 62 degree. Let's draw this. So, a triangle where another triangle is given. This is O. So, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. So, this angle is given as 54 degree. Wherein the next, this angle is given as 62 degree. Now what we have to find here, let's write down. Second one, angle X is equal to 62 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. They have also given YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively. So let us write that. YO and ZO are that means children, this angle is equal to this angle, and if I mark here, this angle is equal to this angle. Bisectors they are. ZO and YO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. Therefore, I will write here as angle XYO is equal to angle OYZ is equal to half of angle XYZ, right? So, this angle and this angle is equal to half of XYZ. Find it off how much it is. It is nothing but half of 54, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. It is 27 degree. So angle XYO is equal to angle OYZ is equal to 27 degree. Let's keep that as it is. So this is whole is 54. So this is 27 degree and 27 degree. Keep that as it is. Let's see the next part now. Okay, next angle also we need to write. That angle can be read as angle XZO. Angle XZO. Okay, we'll do one thing. Once we are finding that angle, at that time we will write it. Now we don't know. Now let's not write that. So, which angle you have to find out here now? You have to find, this is given. I will write the next finding angle. Angle OZY. OZY. This angle you have to find is equal to question mark and YOZ. This angle you have to find. Now that means let me find a complete angle here. Then I can say it is a bisector. I can find this. Smaller triangle angle sum property we can find angle O. So that bigger Z angle we can find by angle sum property now. So in triangle XYZ, so I can say angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180. Angle sum property, angle X is 62 plus Y is 54 plus angle Z is equal to 180. Therefore, angle Z is equal to, how much it will come? Angle Z is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54 is 116, correct? So, angle Z is equal to 64 degree. So, angle Z is nothing but, how do you read angle Z, children? Angle XZY. So, I'll write here now, angle XZY, the whole angle is that, right? But it is a bisector. I will write now angle XZO is equal to angle OZY is equal to half of angle Z. Right? Reason anyways we have written. Let's not write that again. It's already given there. So that is nothing but half of 64. That is equal to 2 3s are 2 2s are 32 degree. So children, this is 32 degree. This is also 32 degree now. So I'll repeat here once again. Therefore, what angle we wanted? Angle OZY is equal to 32 degree. We found that angle. That is what they had asked. Last O angle is remaining. In triangle YOZ, how do we read this? Angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ, it is? Yes, YOZ is equal to 180. Reason? Angle sum property. Angle OYZ is 27 degree. OZY is 32 degree. Plus angle YOZ is equal to 180. Angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59 degree. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59 will give you 121 degree. So this is 121 degree. So we found the second one. Quickly we'll finish with the third one. Third one also they have given a figure. So third one they have given about parallel lines. So only when parallel line is given, we can think about alternate or corresponding angles. Usually most of the sums are with alternate angles. Corresponding, very few sums you get. Or you can say there are no sums here where we have used corresponding angles much. Okay. So in third one, the diagram is, the figure is given in this way. It's only a half triangle. This is D, this is E, this is C, A, B and 35. They have given AB parallel to DE. Only if AE is parallel to DE, we can find some given condition. This angle is 53 degree. Okay, now what we have to find? Let's write angle. Okay, first of all, solution. AB parallel to D. This arrow mark what I have drawn, that is a symbol for parallel. Next what they have given, angle BAC is equal to 35 degree and angle CDE is equal to 53 degree. What you have to find? DCE you have to find. Where is DCE? This is what you have to find. Now that can be only found by angle sum property. For that we require E angle. Can I say angle E is also 35? Why? Alternate angles. Because they have given parallel we can use. Now can we find angle C? Angle sum property? Yes, we can find. So shall I give you the homework children in the sum? Now you know what you have to do. I have written everything I have told you also. So what will you do here now? You will tell angle BAC or angle BAE is equal to angle AED. Reason? Alternate angles 35. Angle sum property in triangle CDE. Angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180. With that you can find angle C. So I'll give you one homework here. So in this main today's homework, third sum, I'll mark this for homework. Right? Though we have already done everything, we have marked everything. You're going to get this angle as how much when you add? 92 degree. Answer also I have already given you. So you can mark this for homework. You can complete this. I'll do the next one. Fourth one I will do. lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that angle PRT is given as, let's mark first. Now see here in this whole figure, this is P which is given as 95, this is 40 which is R, this is T, this is S given as 75 and this is Q. Now children, can I tell this is okay, look at here, this is 40 and this is 75, but these are pair of alternate angles, right? Are they? No, they are not. Why they are not? Because they look like alternate. See, Z formation is there. Then why they are different angles? It's only because the lines are not parallel. They appear parallel in this, but they have not given their parallel. That means that you have to always remember, when lines are not given parallel, pair of alternate angles are not equal. So if this is 95, this also should be 95. If in case it was parallel, since they are not parallel, so they are not equal. That one thing you should always know. So we'll go on writing what is given here. Fourth one, angle PRT is equal to 40, angle RPT is equal to 95, and angle TSQ is equal to 75. Find SQT. SQT. This is what we have to find. So what we will first do here is 95 plus 40 plus here we have to find the angle. With that respect we will get it here. So 95 plus 40 plus what will give you 180? 45. So this is also 45. And there's some property. If this is 45, this is 45. Vertically opposite angles can be equal. They are lines which are intersecting. Now if this is 45, this is 75. 45 plus 75 you will get how much? 120. So 120 plus what will give you 180? 60. See, orally we could just finish it. That means now writing it here will be very simple. This is how you have to give an approach to the sum and then start. Let's quickly start with this. So in triangle PRT, so angle PRT plus angle PRT plus angle RPT plus angle PTR is equal to 180. Reason? Angle sum property. So here PRT is how much? 40. RPT is 95 plus angle PTR is equal to 180. Directly I write angle PTR is equal to 45 degree. Now angle PTR is equal to angle QTS, that is equal to 45 degree. Reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now in triangle QTS, angle QTS plus angle TSQ plus angle SQT is equal to 180. Angle sum property. Angle QTS is 45 plus angle TSQ is 75 plus angle SQT is equal to 180. So angle SQT is equal to 180 minus 45 plus 75, you will get 120. 180 minus 120, angle SQT is equal to 60 degree. Right? So similarly, we'll start the next one. And the fifth one. So they have given here is a kind of a trapezium. So the symbol indicates that this is 90 degree, this is S, this is R, this is T, and join the diagonal Q and P. So marked angle is what here? This is Y, and this angle is X. This angle is marked given, yes, 28. This angle is 65. Okay, let's understand this orally first. Yeah, they have given something. PQ parallel to SR, that's more important. PQ parallel to SR. Now, what we have to find? X and Y we have to find. Now, that means here, to find X and Y, look at this. This is 65. 28 plus what you will get? 65. So, 28 plus 37. 28 plus 37 you get 65. How did I come to know? Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay. So 28 plus this you got. If this is 37, what will be this? 37. Why? Alternate angles. So if this is 37 and this is 90, so 90 plus 37 when you get it, and when you subtract this minus 180, how much you are going to get? 53. One more way also I can tell. 90 plus S is equal to 180. Consecutive angles. 37 plus what will give you 90 again? Because it has to be 90 plus 90, 180, right? If this is 90, this also will be 90 because they are consecutive angles on the same side. Or you can say they are interior angles on the same side of transversal. That way also you can use. So if you have used that, these two together should be 90 because 90, 90, 180. 53, 37 will give you 90. So many different ways to find angle X and Y, right? Let's quickly start with it. So let's write what is first of all given. PQ perpendicular to PS, that means angle QPS is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Next, angle SQR is equal to 28. Angle QRT is equal to 65. Find the values of X and Y. So what we will write here first is, in triangle QSR, angle QRT is equal to angle QSR plus angle SQR. Reason? Exterior angle theorem. So QRT is 65, that is equal to QSR is 37 plus angle SQR. Oh sorry, I have to find this angle, children. I wrote it another way. Since I had written, I forgot actually what was given. Angle QSR is given. I'm sorry, QSR we have to find out. QSR we have to find out plus SQR is given 28. So 65 minus 28, angle QSR is equal to 37 degree. Okay. Next, I can say angle QSR is equal to X, that is equal to 37. Reason? Alternate angles. So X angle is found out. We'll do angle-sum property and we'll find, or you can say this plus this is also equal to 180 if you want. That way also you can give. In triangle, up to you. In triangle PSQ, angle P, I can use angle P individually because it is not sharing with anything. Angle S can't be used as angle S because it is a part of it. So PSQ you have to use it. Angle PSQ plus angle SQP is equal to 180. Angle sum property. So angle P is 90 plus angle PSQ is Y plus angle SQP is 37 degree is equal to 180. So Y is equal to 180 minus 187. So Y is equal to 53 degree. Okay, so that is how we found out the angle. And the last sum of today's session. So it is like again we had done a similar type of, not exactly similar, but something which was related to half of some angle is equal to in the previous exercise. A very important sum. I've seen this sum in the most of the question papers. Usually they ask this. Sixth one. Let me first draw accordingly what they have given. Drawing is very important. Marking is very important in this sum. So, okay. Q, I go with a bigger marking. See here, I have marked one line. That means that they are angular bisectors. Again, I have used the similar line here also. That means these two are another set of angular bisectors. So, Q, R, S, this is P and this is T. Given. What is given? Write the same thing. The side QR of triangle PQR is produced to, yes, then if the bisectors of P if the bisectors of, I will just write here, bisectors of PQR and angle, see the bisector is this line, this bisector is this line, PRS, PQR and PRS meet at T. That's all to prove. What we have to prove? Angle QTR is equal to half angle QPR. So we have to prove that angle QTR, that is this angle, is half of angle QPR. This, right? So let's see how to start about this. So when you look at this sum, you see that there are two set of different triangles. Now which are those triangles? One triangle is angle TQR with respect to QR is the right line Q. So with respect to RS which is produced. Another set of triangle is PQR where again RS is produced. That means this angle what is formed and this angle what is formed is nothing but the exterior angle of two different triangles. Okay. Let's start with this with what we know from the given figure. Proof. Now first of all I will choose this part of triangle. So I will write in triangle TQR. So with respect to TQR, what is my exterior angle? TRS angle TRS is an exterior angle, right? In triangle TQR, see if you want you can draw this separately. I will just draw it here. This is T, this is Q, this is R and this is S. So that means I have got this part here. T part is there, this part is missing, one more part is missing, only one. So here only one part is there. Just I have marked it for the understanding. This part is missing. If you want to see dotted lines, if you draw, you will come to know what part is missing. This part is missing. So that is a triangle I have chosen. So in triangle TQR, TRS is the exterior angle. With respect to exterior angle, can I write angle TRS is equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Reason? Exterior angle theory. Equation 1. Okay? Keep this as this. Go to the next triangle now. In triangle angle PQR. Which is exterior angle? PRS is an exterior angle. Angle PRS is an exterior angle. Let me draw to show you. This is S, this is R, this is P, this is Q. Let me draw the unknown part, what you had. Right? This was the part which they had given, just to make you understand the figure. So this is an exterior angle with respect to this. Angle PRS is equal to which angle? Again, this angle plus this angle. So angle PQR plus angle QPR. Reason? Exterior angle theorem. Now, PRS. PRS is here. This is PRS. Now, PRS, when I talk about, in angle PRS, which is the angular bisector, children? TR is the angular bisector. That means, can I write PRS as 2 times of TRS? Why? See, how do we write the, okay, leave that part. How do we write PRS? PRS is nothing but, or it's a bisector now. So angle TRS is equal to angle PRT is equal to half of angle PRS. Now it's very clear what I have written there. This part angle plus this part angle is equal to this whole angle PRS. So PRS, can I write 2 times of PRS? Yes, I can write. Suppose if this is 60 degree, this is 30, this is 30. So I can write 2 times of 30. 60 what I get. That is what I have written here. 2 times of PRS. Okay. Then come to the next one. PQR. PQR. Now PQR also is a whole angle. But PQR is nothing but bisector of this angle as well as this angle. Which is this? PQR, right? I can write PQR as 2 times of angle TQR. Okay? Plus as it is QPR. Reason. What reason will you write here? PR and QT are the bisectors of angle PRS and PQR respectively. Okay, keep this as it is. Is this very clear? Okay. Now from nothing doing, with this only we will get the answer. 2 times, bring this 2 times here. 2 okay, 2 of angle TRS minus, now how do I know? I have to take 2 this side, I have to subtract this side. That's again by practice, children. You will know what you have to approach next. 2 times of angle PQR is equal to angle QPR as it is. Okay? Keep this as it is now. Now look at this. Take 2 common. If I take 2 common, what do I have? I have TRS minus angle TQR is equal to angle QPR. QPR is already there in RHS part. That means we are on the right track. Now how do I get this QPR here? Okay. Is this very clear till here? Look at first equation. First equation we have QTR. What if I transpose it here? Right? So, from equation 1, what will I write? Angle TRS minus angle TQR is equal to angle QTR. I have kept QTR, I transposed it here. TRS minus QTR. What is TRS minus QTR? Same thing, is equal to what? QTR. 2 times of angle QTR is equal to angle QPR. What do we want here? QTR is there? Yes, it is there. QPR is there? Yes, it is there. Half of this 2, send this side. Angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. Hence proved. What did we do here now? We first identified the exterior angle. With respect to exterior angle, we wrote it. Exterior angle theorem for the first one. Second one, when we wrote exterior angle, we found that they are sharing the angular bisectors. With that respect from the first one, twice of whatever bisectors we wrote. Then we shifted those two terms this side, we took common. Then from equation 1 we substituted and there we arrived at the solution. It is very simple. You might feel this is complicated. Please practice this, you will understand. So with this we complete the chapter lines and angles. So you have to also practice the worked examples of this chapter. It's very important. So my next chapter will be Euclid's geometry, because there we have to understand few concepts, that is axes and postulates, which we are going to use in the next chapter, triangles. So any doubt in the class you can call and confirm. Thank you.